We live in a visual world. YouTube thrives on captivating visuals. But what about sound? Audio is just as important. Bad audio can ruin a great video. Viewers click away if they're struggling to hear you. Imagine this. You're watching a cooking tutorial. The recipe looks incredible, but the creator's microphone crackles with every stir. The background noise drowns out their instructions. Frustrating, right? Good audio, on the other hand, keeps viewers engaged. It creates an immersive experience. When your audio is clear and balanced, your message shines through. You build a stronger connection with your audience. Don't underestimate the power of sound. It's time to silence the errors and amplify your YouTube success. Background noise is a silent killer of good audio. It's like that unwanted guest at a party, always there, always distracting. From traffic sounds to humming appliances, these noises muddy your audio and distract your viewers. Remember, clarity is key. Identify the source of the noise. Is it a fan whirring in the background? Turn it off. Is it the neighbor's dog barking? Wait for a quieter moment. Sometimes you can't eliminate all noise. That's where a good microphone comes in. Look for microphones with noise-canceling features. These mics pick up your voice while minimizing background distractions. You can also use software to reduce noise in post-production. Audacity is a free and powerful tool for this. Remember, a little effort goes a long way in creating a cleaner, more professional sound. Ever been in a large, empty room and heard your voice echo? That's reverb, and it's a common audio problem, especially for creators recording at home. Reverb makes your audio sound distant and unprofessional. It muddies your words and makes it hard for viewers to understand you. The good news? You don't need a professional recording studio to fix this. Start by choosing a smaller room for recording. Smaller spaces naturally have less reverb. Add soft furnishings like carpets, curtains, and blankets. These materials absorb sound waves and reduce echo. Another tip, don't film facing a bare wall. Walls reflect sound, creating more echo. Position yourself facing a bookshelf or a window with curtains. These surfaces help absorb and diffuse sound waves. Section 4. Leveling up. Consistent audio is key. Imagine watching a video where the creator's voice is loud in one scene and barely a whisper in the next. It's jarring, isn't it? Inconsistent audio levels are a major turn-off for viewers. Consistent audio levels create a smoother, more enjoyable listening experience. They keep your viewers engaged and prevent them from constantly fiddling with their volume controls. Invest in a good audio editor. Audacity, which is free, and Adobe Audition, which is paid, are excellent options. Use the audio normalization feature to ensure a consistent volume throughout your video. Aim for a peak volume level of around -6 decibels. This ensures your audio is loud enough without clipping or distorting. Remember, consistency is key to a polished and professional sound. Section 5. The distracting hum. Eliminating electrical interference. Electrical interference. It's the bane of many creators' existence. This pesky problem manifests as a low humming or buzzing sound in your audio. It's subtle but incredibly distracting for viewers. The culprit? Usually it's electronic devices near your microphone. Think computers, phones, power adapters, even fluorescent lights. These devices emit electromagnetic fields that your microphone can pick up. The solution? Distance is your friend. Keep your microphone as far away from electronic devices as possible. Turn off any unnecessary devices while recording. Make sure all your equipment is properly grounded. Use surge protectors with built-in EMI RFI filters. These filters help block electromagnetic interference. Remember, a clean, hum-free audio track makes all the difference in creating a professional and enjoyable listening experience for your viewers. Section 6. Silence the errors, amplify your success. Good audio isn't just a nice-to-have. It's essential for creating engaging and successful YouTube videos. By understanding and addressing common audio mistakes, you unlock a world of possibilities for your channel. Remember, viewers are more forgiving of visual imperfections than audio issues. Poor audio can make even the most compelling content unwatchable. Invest in your audio. Get a decent microphone. Learn basic audio editing techniques. Pay attention to your recording environment. By silencing the errors and amplifying your audio quality, you create a more immersive and enjoyable experience for your viewers. And that translates into better engagement, longer watch times, and ultimately greater success on YouTube.